Hi, I'm Old Sneelock. Welcome to another episode of Old Sneelock's Workshop. Now, the next thing to come off is this flange. It's got a lot longer section of shaft that it's gripping onto, so it might come off a little more difficult, but we'll see. Gave the shaft a shot of this ultralight 336, and I put some on the threads too. Kind of a side benefit that the housing is on there, because that gives me a good spot to lock this puller against, and it's coming right off. And mechanical advantage, it's always a wonderful thing. I was concerned I was going to have something broken before I got this apart. Now, I still have bolts to remove, but based on how this is coming apart, I might get lucky. Yep. That is free. Kind of rusty, but not bad on the inside. Nope, no pitting. Well, that one came loose easy enough. The head on this one is in sad shape. That could have been a knuckle buster. There we go. The heads on these bolts are rusted pretty badly. And also, this white crap on there is not helping the situation any at all. Power tools have their purpose. Now this one can sit on the floor over here next to the other one. This had rubber feet on it. Still has rubber feet on it. They're just not much of rubber feet anymore. Looks like there. Held on there with flat bit screws. Now it was my expectation a plate underneath that would come out, but from the looks of it, it's a different kind of animal. Like this is not just going to open up easily. Nope. See if we can make any difference that way. Sometimes just a little applied force makes all the difference. At least they're tiny little bolts. Not like they got an 1.5 inch shank to grip onto. And that, Louie, is why we have these little impact drivers. I got a 1/2 inch drive impact driver out in the garage, but it's air operated. Works very well. I mean, it just does a great job. Extremely powerful. I'm going to change these out for hex heads, but before I do that, I'm going to check things out. Huh. Well, there's your problem. Wire pulled out of the switch. Simple enough fix. Now there may be other issues, but right now, all I got to do is fix that. If you have any suggestions for a new video, questions about today's video, or any of the other videos on the channel, just drop a note in the comments. You know I read them all. Thanks for watching.
This video is not to be viewed by anyone under the age of 13 in the U.S. or 16 in the European Union, without the express written permission of the parents or legal guardians of the underage person. Such written permission must be on file at the local government entity in charge of enforcing the rules and regulations established by the FTC. Anyone violating these terms is admitting by default that they hold harmless the owners and operators of this channel. Any and all questions should be addressed to your local branch of the FTC.